We are fascinated by hair. It covers our heads, it grows on our bodies. Yet we often try to control it, style it, or even remove it. But why do we have hair in the first place? What evolutionary purpose does it serve? In this exploration, we will unravel the curious case of body and facial hair, delving into its biological importance and cultural significance. Join me as we uncover the secrets behind these strands, from their evolutionary origins to their role in our lives today.
To understand human hair, we must travel back in time. Millions of years ago, our primate ancestors were covered in a thick coat of fur. This fur provided insulation, protecting them from the elements. As humans evolved, we lost much of this thick hair. However, we retained hair on our heads, faces, and bodies. This remaining hair serves various functions, as we shall soon discover.
Hair is made of a protein called keratin. Keratin is also found in our skin and nails. Hair grows from follicles, which are small sac-like structures in the skin. Each follicle contains a hair bulb where cells divide and multiply to form the hair shaft. The shape of the follicle determines whether the hair is straight, curly, or wavy. The color of our hair is determined by melanin, a pigment produced by cells called melanocytes. As we age, melanocyte activity decreases, leading to gray or white hair. One of the primary functions of hair is protection. Hair on our heads acts as a natural sunshade, shielding our scalp from harmful UV rays. Eyebrows and eyelashes protect our eyes from dust, sweat, and debris. Nostril hair acts as a filter, preventing foreign particles from entering our respiratory system. Even the fine hair on our body provides a layer of insulation, helping to regulate body temperature.
Section 5. Sensory Superhero. How hair helps us detect the world around us. Hair is not just a protective barrier, it is also a sensory organ. Tiny muscles called erector pili are attached to hair follicles. When these muscles contract, they cause the hair to stand on end, a phenomenon known as goosebumps. This reaction can be triggered by cold, fear, or excitement. Hair follicles are also richly supplied with nerves, making them sensitive to touch. This sensitivity allows us to detect even the slightest movement or pressure on the skin's surface.
Section 6. Beyond the surface. Hair as a reflection of our health. Our hair can tell us a lot about our overall health. Changes in hair texture, thickness, or growth rate can be indicators of underlying medical conditions. For instance, hair loss can be a symptom of stress, nutritional deficiencies, or thyroid disorders. Similarly, brittle hair can indicate a lack of certain vitamins and minerals in the diet. Paying attention to these changes in our hair can provide valuable insights into our well-being.
Section 7. The main attraction, hair's role in attracting a mate. Hair plays a significant role in human attraction and mate selection. Thick, lustrous hair is often associated with youth, vitality, and good health. These qualities are considered desirable in potential mates, both consciously and subconsciously. Evolutionarily speaking, healthy hair serves as a signal of good genes and reproductive fitness.
Section 8. Hair and Hierarchy. Expressing status and identity through the ages. Throughout history, hairstyles have been used to communicate social status, group affiliation, and personal beliefs. In ancient Egypt, elaborate wigs were a symbol of wealth and power. Roman emperors were often depicted with laurel wreaths in their hair, signifying victory and authority. Even today, different hairstyles and hair colors are associated with various subcultures and social groups. From punk rock mohawks to dreadlocks, hair continues to be a powerful tool for self-expression and identity. Section 9. From ancient rituals to modern trends, cultural significance of hair. Hair holds deep cultural and religious significance in many societies. In some cultures, hair is considered sacred and is only cut or shaved during specific rituals or ceremonies. For example, in Hinduism, shaving one's head is a common practice during pilgrimages or as a mark of mourning. In other cultures, certain hairstyles are associated with specific genders or age groups. For instance, in many Native American tribes, long hair is a symbol of masculinity and strength for men.
Section 10. Fun Fact Interlude. Unveiling 3 hair-raising surprises. Now let's take a break from the science and history of hair to uncover some fun and lesser-known facts about these fascinating strands. First, hair is incredibly strong. A single strand of hair can support up to 3.5 ounces of weight. To put that into perspective, the average human head has about 100,000 strands of hair, meaning our hair could theoretically support the weight of 2 elephants. Second, hair grows faster in warmer climates. This is because the increased heat and humidity stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, providing more nutrients to the hair follicles. And finally, we shed hair every day. It's normal to lose between 50 to 100 strands of hair per day. This is simply part of the natural hair growth cycle, where old hairs are shed to make way for new ones.
Section 11. The curious case of hair, a final word. From its evolutionary origins as a protective covering to its modern-day role in self-expression and social signaling, hair has played an integral part in the human story. It shields us from the elements, helps us perceive the world around us, and serves as a canvas for cultural and personal identity. So, the next time you look in the mirror, take a moment to appreciate the wonder of hair and all its fascinating facets.